Welcome to this overview session of the Fireline software. And during this brief session, we're going to be discussing the dashboard and specifically the Quotes tab. If you'll notice as we get into the Quotes tab, you'll see on the screen here a list of all the quotes that your company actually has throughout the company. The quotes are broken out into summary line items so that you can identify each individual quote. Each individual quote is identified by the company, specific comments, the customer name, the quote amount, gross percentage, gross margin, and the actual sales representative. You'll notice on the left-hand side here we have a status for each individual quote, whether it's a draft, final, needs to be requoted, is on hold, dead, or other. And then of course, if in fact we've sold that job and it's turned into an installation work order, we can quickly click the little button here under the Work Orders tab and turn this into an installation work order, and that would automatically check this off so we know that we have sold that particular job. So this particular tab shows us a quick snapshot summary of the backlog of the whole company in regards to what we have outstanding in the area of quotes. We can also do some exceptions. We can go ahead and identify and filter the quotes by specific salesperson if we wish to. Another thing that we can do is select specifically from exceptions. And when we select from exceptions, you'll see that this is a list of all of the quotes that we have outstanding. This would not include quotes that have turned into installation work orders, and therefore this would be the exact backlog of only those quotes that are outstanding. We also have the ability, of course, to query the quotes within a date range by a start date as well as an end date. Now, as I had mentioned, this is a list or a collection of all of the individual quotes that we have for customers throughout the company. If we were to go specifically over to look at a unique company, let's go ahead and pull up Frank's Steakhouse. And when we pull up Frank's unique customer history screen, you'll notice down here that they also have a tab in each customer history. And this would be similar to that front screen, but this is unique to this particular service location. Again, we have each individual quote that we've quoted for this particular customer with the ability to quickly turn them into an installation work order, identify the statuses of those work orders, and of course the ability to quickly select if we wish to go in and make any changes on this particular quote, or of course we can create a new quote during entry of this screen as well. Thank you for joining us, and please feel free to tune in to the other dashboard functions videos.